Hey everyone, it's Kaitlyn here and welcome to my channel. As a seasoned freelancer on Upwork, I know firsthand how important it is to steer clear of scammer clients. Today, I'm excited to share some practical tips and strategies to help you safeguard your earnings and maintain a thriving freelancing career. Let's dive into identifying red flags on job postings. Look out for big project descriptions, unusually high payment offers, and requests for sensitive information outside of Upwork's platform. Additionally, pay attention to clients who haven't verified their payment method or have a history of poor reviews. These are clear warning signs to proceed with caution. Before accepting any job offer, take the time to research the client's profile thoroughly. Check reviews from other freelancers, examine their payment history, and be wary of any suspicious links they may provide. Trust is earned, so aim to work with clients who have a solid reputation and track record of fair dealings. Effective communication is paramount in navigating Upwork safely. Be cautious of clients who requested extensive work without compensation or pressure you into accepting unfavorable conditions. Always clarify project expectations and payment terms upfront to avoid misunderstandings down the line. As experienced freelancers, we understand the importance of setting clear boundaries. Don't hesitate to decline offers that don't align with your terms of service, especially regarding payment and project expectations. Your time and expertise are valuable, so prioritize your well-being. Trust your instincts. They've guided us through countless projects. If something feels off about a client or project, don't ignore it. Your safety and peace of mind should always come first. By staying vigilant and following these tried and true tips, you can navigate Upwork with confidence and avoid falling victims to scams. And that's a rough guide to avoiding scammer clients on Upwork, tailored to our collective experience. Remember to stay informed, trust your instincts, and prioritize your safety. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more insights. Thanks for tuning in, fellow freelancers, and stay safe out there on Upwork.